out here with the Outcast, and today it's a little different, just a little. I was in there fooling around with it, thinking about adding some more stuff to it, and then I weighed it and it was like 32 pounds. I'm like, yeah, maybe I shouldn't be putting all this crap on here. I don't want a 35-pound beast. You know, when it starts getting that heavy, it ends up being in the range of that damn Velocity 5T that I don't like to deal with anymore because it weighs 42 pounds. So, yeah. I was looking at this truck and I was like, it's 32 pounds. That's a big, heavy thing. So let's do something stupid. Let's throw a Max 5. No, let's throw a Max6 in there. And let's see, can it actually run this stupid giant ass motor? Yeah, this is one of those Hobby Star 780s or whatever the hell it is. So yeah, I got this motor in the Creighton EXB and this thing, and I think I bought one for the Outcast ESP2, but I think I got the Max 5 combo in the Rovin. Yeah, so let's say you buy Max 5 and you put in this thing and it blows the hell up. Yeah, like it actually happened to me. I got 7 of the things between the Max 5 and the BL200. I think I got like 7 of them, and they literally all still work. And some of them I didn't have for like 5-6 years now. Yeah, I even have the one that I had in that X-Max that tore the X-Max up. Or tore a version of the X-Max up. That X-Max is probably long gone. I don't know about that thing anymore. So let's say you got a big ass truck and your Max 5 blew up and you still want to run it while the Max 5 is being replaced, and you have a Max 6 sitting right in front of you. So let's say now they make this truck and it has some form of BS in it that looks like a Max 6, but it's not a Max 6 because it's underpowered piece of shit. So yeah, let's put an actual Max 6 in here with the big ass motor, just like they do for the original DBXLE. Yeah, it had a Max 6 clone in there. That Fuse 160 was a actual Max 6 clone. Wasn't underpowered or watered down like that fucking Arrma thing. So yeah, let's run a Max 6 in this thing and see if it actually runs it like the Max 5. Now the Max 5 can make this thing wheelie on command, run fast as hell, and I think it still has the 3636, which is, well, yeah, I don't know how that's gonna go. I mean, 3636 with a Max 6? Yeah, Max 6 might be saying bye-bye. But yeah, I just wanted to try something, just for the hell of it. I probably should have geared it down, but I wasn't even thinking about it. I'm like, let's just do it since I got it sitting up here. Okay, let's make it look a little slow. We can make it look slow. Oh yeah, and they actually cut my fill. Finally, all of it. Okay, let's do this. And it's gone. Oh god. Hey, Max 6 can actually go. Oh god, it can go. You're probably losing let's say if you have the Max 5 on punch 4 and this thing on punch 4, you're probably losing about 20%, give or take, which isn't a lot. I mean, for most people, this is awesome. But you can definitely tell if you had a Max 5 in this thing the whole time that it's just missing a little bit of oomph. And yeah, they said it was gonna be like 70, 73 today. And I come out here and it's like 85. I'm like, okay, y'all don't know shit. Y'all literally don't know a damn thing. Okay, I think it works. Man. Really? This thing actually got cattywampus with a Max6. Of course, it do got the 36 in there. I mean, if I would run this thing, I would probably go back up to the 34, 39. Because to be honest, 1-to-1 gearing in this truck is a little bit much. Especially if you actually wanted to, you know, like to be in control of yourself. And yeah, I do got the Creighton tires on there, which, yeah, the Creighton tires balloon like crazy. And are actually damn good for bashing this truck. They are a little hard on the drivetrain, though. And for this truck, oh God, this thing actually gets up. Maybe the batteries just need to warm up. I didn't put the DXFs in this. Yeah, I got those cheap ass 6,000 milliamps that I got off of Amazon that time for like $50 for the set. Now those stupid batteries are $50 a piece. And I got 2 sets of them. I should have got like 4. These batteries are actually pretty good when they get warmed up. Oh yeah. And I actually got the fans running straight from the ESC too. I like a truck that you can actually get on the throttle. Because with the Max 5, it was actually kind of hard to get all the way on the throttle on this thing. Because it would just wheelie and try to flip over. And yeah, that's kind of dumb for a truck that's 32 pounds. So that 20% is actually controllable with 36 gearing. Oh yeah, this thing is ripping up this field. Yeah, this is actually bashable. Of course, the Max6 is not gonna give the motor everything it wants, which is probably why I still got the tires on it. And I'm sitting up here throwing down throttle at 100%. But I only got it on punch 4. And I usually have the Max 5 on punch 5, which is kind of really stupid. Now 36 on punch 4, yeah, you're gonna be bending drive shafts without even jumping the damn truck. Man, this is actually good. And yeah, that's LVC. Well, I knew the batteries weren't gonna last too long, but a good 9 minutes is decent out here because it's definitely hot as fuck. Oh boy, it is definitely hot. Yeah, poor batteries are done. But yeah, they definitely last longer than the Arrma 5000 milliamps. Those batteries, they last about maybe 6-7 minutes in this truck. And yeah, I know, because I got a truck in there that I'm fixing for a guy, and he got gypped with the Arrma experience, the Arrma everything, the Arrma battery charger, which isn't all that bad. I mean, just turn it on and mash a button and it starts. But 5,000 milliamp batteries are absolute dog shit. You can buy 2 or 3 sets of decent batteries for the price of those things. And tomorrow's gonna be rain, and the day after is gonna be rain, and my field is gonna turn into a dandelion disaster again. Poor thing, and poor truck. Yeah, so this thing is actually bashable. You have reasonable gearing in it, and yeah, it's definitely bashable. Now, I really wouldn't run it long term like this, because at some point the Max6 is just gonna say, what the fuck you doing to me, and stop working. While the Max5 is just a beast. So yeah, I would just go on and stick with the Max5 if you're gonna have a big ass motor in this truck. But it is what it is, so I'll just leave it at that and get this thing back to the house before it really turns off on me and I'll have to be dragging it back.